Hello everyone, open up your Creepers book 2 to page 135. Today we will do the human body, the organ systems in our body. The human body is made up of different parts. Each part of the body has a specific function. Our body is like a machine. Our body is made up of different kinds of cells. They are the building blocks of our body. Cells of the same kind make a tissue, and these different tissues come together to form an organ. And the organs, when they work together, children, they form an organ system. So our body is made up of different organ systems which have different functions. They are of two types of organ: external organs and internal organs. The external organs situated on or near the surface of the body are known as external organs. We had already discussed this in the previous chapter. Look at the picture. You can see some external organs. In this lesson, we will talk about the internal organs. Internal organs are situated inside the surface of the body. Look at the picture. Lungs, heart, liver, stomach, brain, kidneys. Now we have 8 different types of organ systems. They are circulatory system, breathing system, skeletal system, muscular, digestive, excretory, nervous and reproductive system. We will first talk about the skeletal system. Skeletal system gives shape and support to the body. It protects our internal organs from injury. There are 206 bones in an adult human being's body. You can look at the picture of the skeleton given over here. Next, we will talk about the muscular system. Muscles helps to move different parts of our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. All the muscles of our body together form the muscular system. Next, respiratory system. In the picture, you can see the different organs that make together the respiratory system. It helps to breathe in air in order to live. The nose, lungs, diaphragm, windpipe. Next, digestive system. All the parts that you can see in the picture together make up the digestive system. It helps in digestion and absorption of food. The process of changing food into substances that our body can use is called digestion. Very important, children. Next is the reproductive system. It helps in producing young ones. It is because of this system your parents have a sweet child like you. Next is the nervous system. It gives instruction to the other organs to perform the task. Your brain is active even when you are sleeping. Do you know that? Circulatory system. The different parts are the arteries, hearts and veins. It pumps blood to all organs of our body. Excretory system. It helps to throw waste out of our body. Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra together make up the excretory system. So children, you have learned about the various organ systems and their functions. Now it is your duty to take care of your body. You use a machine. If you do not take care of it, what will happen? Same is the case of your body. Your body is like a machine. So you need to take proper care of it. For that, you need to do some physical exercises daily and eat healthy food. That's all. Now let us revise the new words given on page number 139 of your book. Cells, the building blocks of our body. Tissues, a group of cells which work together. Organ, a group of tissues. Organ system, a group of organs. Blood vessels, tubes that carry blood to different parts of the body. Skeleton, the framework of bones in the body. Muscles, the soft parts attached to the bones. With this, we come to the end of our chapter, the organ system. Now, I hope you all have learned about the various important systems in our body and you will take care of your body. Stay safe, take care, eat healthy, do some physical exercises. Thank you.